If I lost everything today with just my phone and internet, this is how I'd make money online in 2026. No experience, no investment needed. This method works even for complete beginners. First, I'd learn one simple digital skill. Skills like video editing or thumbnail design are in high demand. AI tools are also highly sought after. You can learn these skills for free on YouTube in just a few days. Next, I'd use free tools like CapCut, Canva, and ChatGPT to create content or offer services. These tools make work easier, faster, and more professional, even for beginners. After learning, I'd go to platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or even YouTube creators to offer my service. Many creators constantly need editors and designers. There's a huge demand for these skills every day. Once I get my first client, I would continue improving my skills and gradually increase my prices. Over time, this can grow into a full online income stream, providing financial freedom. Remember, you don't need money to start. You only need consistency and willingness to learn. If you want more videos like this, subscribe and start your journey today.